अच्छा एकदम
हाँ
कस्टमर in
customer feedback.
excellent. I've been using it for past 10 years, and like I said, the buckets of salt I've been taking from the tank and putting for my coconut trees and all that. So it really works, just like your father said. It absolutely works.
Fantastic. Very nice to hear that. And you said you are going to get it replaced with a steel tank, is it?
Correct. So that you know that it's a parabolic tank, correct? So I can self-drain the water rather than calling experts.
Right.
And steel guys also told me that 2205 grade steel is recommended because of the high PP, the salt content.
Right.
So that the tank itself doesn't get corroded.
Fantastic.
So
when did you install this device, if you remember?
2016.
2016. It's a long time ago.
10 years.
10 years. One of our first customers.
Yeah, exactly.
Very nice.
That's why I said 10 years ho gaya bhai. Must be time for replacing, Let me call them. That's when I called you guys, and then you said no, you have to interchange it, which I have not done.
Right.
Now we have done it.
Right.
This is the first time in 10 years it has been interchanged.
And still it works fine.
And still works fine. Even without the interchange, it was working fine for 10 years. So now I'm sure another, and you said if you keep it in shade, then if there is no degradation of the constituents of the device itself, then it can work even more than 20 years.
Yep.
But your father had told 20 years is the kind of the life. Probably he told it based on the weather conditions.
Right. So 20 years is like what we expect it will last. But realistically...
Will the inside vortex go for a toss in the 20 years? Could be.
No, it depends on the outside materials. If the outside materials get compromised, that is where the problem will occur.
Oh, okay. If the outdoor materials are, they stay intact, then there should be no problem.
There should be no problem.
So that means even it may last for another 5-10 years also.
It may well last. Definitely.
Okay. So it is all to do with the weather. Outdoor weather.
So all these are materials such as plastic and steel, right? If it gets compromised, then the device will get damaged.
Otherwise
it's fine. Yeah.
So fantastic. I think it's a very good investment. I think people that lady has gone in for ionizer, which maybe regular maintenance of that, and also those chemical salts and all will get into the water also.
Yeah, 100%.
And there will be some leaching of that water, just like this plastic tank that I'm getting replaced with a steel tank. Because there will be some plastic which is going into the water.
100%.
And God knows how it will be reacting with the body.
Yeah.
So we are anyway got plastic pipes. That itself is harmful. On top of this. So it's a double jeopardy.
We're in a world of microplastic.
Exactly. So I think this is a real boon.
Thank you.